Hello everyone. So in this video we'll discuss about some current affairs of Assam. So first of all, let us know about the various facts of Lovelina Borgohai, and she is from Golaghat, Borbathar village, and she has today she won the bronze medal at the 2020 Summer Olympics Tokyo in the women's welterweight event, becoming only the third Indian boxer to win a medal at the Olympics. She also won a lot of other medals in 21 Dubai Asian Championship and 2019 Ulan Ure World Championship, etc. And most importantly, she won the Arjuna Award in 2020. Raimona National Park, it is the sixth national park of Assam. This national park of Assam is located in Gosaigao subdivision of Kokrajhar district under the Bodoland territorial region. It is a part of the contiguous forest patch having an area of 422 square kilometer, and it covers the northern part of notified Ripu Reserve Forest, which is the westernmost buffer to Manas Tiger Reserve. This park is a home to golden langur, tigers, Asian elephants, clouded leopards with wild buffalo, Indian gore, hornbill, spotted deer, 170 bird species, 150 species of butterflies, and 380 varieties of plants and orchids. So this is a new national park, and it is indeed a very important fact for exam point of view. Then these are some other national parks. As of now, total 7 national parks are there in Assam. So all are shown in the map. Mandarin duck spotted in Maguriville, Assam. This duck was spotted by the team of avian specialists in the Maguri Motapung Bill of Tinsukia district in eastern Assam. Mandarin duck is habited to eastern China and southern Japan. So it landed in Assam too by accident. So the duck does not come regularly to India, but some of the ducks may join other migratory birds and follow their migration path. So earlier, in the last Mandarin duck was spotted in Assam in the year 1902. So after 118 years, it is spotted in Assam, and that is why this is a very important fact. Then what is RIDF? This is basically Rural Infrastructure Development Fund. So recently, National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development (NABARD) announced 1236 crores to Assam for rural infrastructure development. So it was created in 1995-96 with an initial amount of 2000 crores, and in 2020-21 29,848 crores was allocated to RIDF. With this, the cumulative allocation has reached 18,500 crores. Another important point is Bohag Bihu bird count. So a lot of bird species are declining in India and in Western Ghats as well as in Assam. Looking at that fact, on April 14, 2021, the Bohag Bihu bird count began in Assam. The Bohag Bihu bird count was launched by Bird Count of India (BCI). It is a NGO, and this is the first time BCI is launching Bohag Bihu bird count in Assam. Then what is APEDA? Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority. APEDA is the Apex Export Trade Promotion Active government body, and the body was set up by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. It was set up under APEDA Act. So why this is important? Because recently red rice, baodhan, and kazi nemu was exported from India to London and US. Next, Assam Mizoram border dispute. Recently it is in news, and around 5-6 police person died in the clash. So the conflict actually started long back when the British and the Lusai Hills Mizo tribes caused both sides to feel the need for a boundary. And then Deputy Commissioner Assam, John Ware Edgar, signed a treaty or boundary agreement with Lusai Mizo chief Suak Puila in 1871. Following this, the boundary was marked with 46 boundary pillars, one of the first recorded instances of the government of political borders between Assam and the Lusai Hills, now Mizoram, was in 1926 when 5 men returning from Shillong were arrested. After that, in 1933, notification was defined as inner land boundary. This inner line boundary system is very important from exam point of view, and you must look into this fact. So this is a very critical issue for Assam as of now. So with this topic, I would like to conclude as of now. In case of more things, you can just comment, and thank you for watching.